Have you ever felt the excitement of uncovering hidden treasures within the English language? Can you imagine the power they hold to unlock new worlds of knowledge and inspiration? Well, get ready, because we are back with another exciting episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we have two incredible words to explore that will ignite your imagination. Our first word of the day is vulpine. Vulpine. Vulpine is an adjective derived from the Latin word vulpinus, means like a fox. It's used to describe someone or something that's clever, cunning, or sly. Just like a fox navigating its surroundings with grace and wit, vulpine reveals the magic of cleverness and resourcefulness. It reminds us to embrace cleverness and adaptability in our lives. Here is a sentence example for this word. The detective used his vulpine instincts to uncover the truth behind the mysterious case. Now, let's move on to our second word, congeniality. Congeniality. Congeniality is a noun that encompasses the idea of compatibility, friendliness, and like-mindedness. When we speak of congeniality, we are talking about the joy of building strong connections and supporting each other. It's about making others feel good and being open to new friendships. We are talking about that magical feeling of ease and friendship where interactions are smooth, enjoyable, and filled with laughter. It teaches us the power of creating a welcoming and friendly environment where connections thrive and positivity shines, just like a group of friends sharing laughter and creating beautiful memories together. Here is a sentence example for this word. She approached each interaction with kindness and congeniality, making everyone feel comfortable. So, there you have it, folks. We have uncovered the fascinating meanings behind vulpine and congeniality. From the cunning nature of the fox to the harmonious connections between people, these words truly paint a vivid picture. Remember, language is a gateway to a world of imagination and expression. We hope you enjoyed learning the meaning of these two words today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting episodes. Until next time, stay clever and congenial.